In this video, I'm going to teach you how to export source code files from Bolt.new. From in there, you first need to head over to their website, which is Bolt.new, and you should be able to see in here this. You can also see right there a sign in or get started option. If you don't have an account yet, proceed to click on get started, but if you already have an account, proceed to click on sign in. As you can see on my case right here, I've already signed in and here is my account. So here is my chat option. So you just need to head over and open the chat that you wish to open. So this chats already contain websites, but if you don't have one yet, just enter right your prompt. Like for example, create an e-commerce store. So it can be any prompt that you want right there. It can be an application or a website. So just head over and then enter your prompt and click on build now in order to build an app. So on my case, I will show you right here the app that I've already created. Here it is right here. So in order to export the source code files from this case, what we can do is we can click on the name of the actual file. You can locate the file by going over to the chat. So click on the file name. You can see right here these options. Click on this export and you can see right here this option to download it and open it in Stack Blitz. Onto this case, just proceed to click on download. After that, this will actually create the download right here. Project will be downloaded and here you can just choose wherein you want to save this. So onto this case, let's save it right here onto this part. It's a zip file, so click on save. Then after that, this will download right here as you have noticed. Now, once it's done with the download process, you can proceed to locate it. Just click on this folder icon. And from in there, you should be able to see in here the actual folder for this case. So here is our folder. You can just right click on it and then extract it in order to open the source code files affiliated with it. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.